Looking for the best car window sunshade but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 10 best car window sunshade based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 10. Number 10. EcoNour ECOUMBRLASUNSHADEMED Windshield Sunshade. If you're tired of feeling like you're driving into a hot oven every time you get in your car on a summer day, you know how miserable it can be. This incredible sunshade is here to change that, offering extreme cooling performance and a medium fit that works with most sedans, SUVs, and pickup trucks. It's got advanced 5-layer UV blocking to protect your dashboard and electronics, and a 10-rib reinforced durability that resists bending and breaking in extreme temperatures. Plus, it opens in seconds and folds up neatly for easy storage, making it perfect for daily commutes, long drives, or even rideshare use. If you're looking for a simple yet effective solution to keep your car cool and comfortable, this is a great choice. Number 9. XCBYT Magnetic Car Window Shades. This car privacy solution really shines with its magnetic attachment, which is a total game changer for anyone who's ever tried to wrestle with traditional window shades. It's perfect for camping, traveling by car, taking care of your baby, or just wanting a private space to rest while driving, and the magnetic design makes it incredibly easy to install and remove. The high-quality materials block 99% of harmful UV rays and glare, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride, and the universal size design fits most vehicles, although you will need to verify your window dimensions before purchasing. Just keep in mind that it's only compatible with iron window frames, so double-check your car's window material before buying. Number 8. Munchkin 61420 Brica Magnetic Stretch to Fit Car Window Shades. Are you worried about keeping your little ones protected from harsh sun rays while still enjoying fresh air in the car? This product has got you covered with its unique design that stretches to fit large side windows, providing 14 to 18 inches more coverage than standard shades. With magnetic attachments and a safe mesh visibility, it's perfect for families who want to ensure their baby's safety without compromising on airflow. Number 7. QUICTO QFMCQ1 Car Window Sun Shades. I'd give this a solid 3-star rating overall. It's a decent option for those who want some basic sun protection while driving. I think it's a good fit for families with kids or for people who spend a lot of time on the road, as it provides a private space and helps keep the car seat cool. The magnetic design is flexible and easy to install, and the fact that it doesn't affect the rear view mirror or card scan code is a major plus. Number 6. BNYD BN562 Car Windshield Sunshade Foldable Reflective Sun Visor. Most windshield sun shades are just a thin piece of plastic that barely makes a difference, but this one's a game changer with a reflective aluminum foil that combines with bubble material to keep your car's interior significantly cooler. It's lightweight, folds up for compact storage, and comes with 2 suction cups to hold it in place. This is perfect for someone who wants to protect their car's instrument desk, steering wheel, and chairs from the sun's harsh rays while keeping the vehicle comfortable to drive in. It's not a revolutionary product, but it gets the job done. Number 5. PEMOTech 113-0099-40 Car Window Shades. This car window shade takes the cake with its 8 incredibly strong magnets that secure it to your steel car door frame with a grip that's impossible to beat, no matter how bumpy the road gets, making it a total game changer for parents on the go who need to keep their little ones safe and comfortable during long car rides. It's perfect for anyone who wants to block out the harsh sun glare and heat, giving their babies, kids, and pets a peaceful environment to relax in, and the fact that it's lightweight and compact makes it a must-have accessory for any car, SUV, or truck with rear side windows. Just make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and avoid using it on front windows. Number 4. EcoNour EcoRoller SS_STD Car Side Window Sunshade Window Sunshade. Are you worried about the sun's harsh rays beating down on your little ones during car rides? This advanced UV protection car window shade is here to save the day, blocking 99% of harmful UV rays and reducing sun glare, perfect for babies and kids who need a safer and more comfortable ride. Made from premium non-toxic PVC, it's safe for children and features a durable mesh design for excellent coverage without compromising visibility. Plus, it keeps the car cool by preventing heat buildup and provides enhanced privacy, creating a cozy space for your little ones to relax during travel. With its easy installation and strong suction cups, this car window shade is a must-have for daily use. Number 3. CARAMAZ Black _U21 Car Window Shade. If you're looking for a reliable sun protection solution, this product is a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts, families with kids, or anyone who spends extended periods in the sun, especially in harsh Australian environments. Its standout feature is OptiDark certified UV protection, tested to Australian standards with excellent results. It blocks an impressive 98.6% of UV rays, making it perfect for those who want maximum protection. Quick verdict, this product delivers. Number 2. Munchkin 61222 Brica Sun Safety Car Window Shade. Typically, sun shades for cars are pretty basic, but this one stands out with some really thoughtful features. It includes 2 large auto shades that'll cover your windows, giving maximum protection from the sun. I love the white hot indicator that turns white when the car gets too hot. It's a great safety feature that'll give you peace of mind. The attachment options are also super versatile. You can choose between clips or suction cups, and it's easy to install either way. When you're done, just press a button and it rolls up effortlessly. The mesh material is also really high quality, allowing you to see out while keeping the sun out. Number 1. Kinder Fluff KF2 Carshade Car Window Shades, certified 99.79% UVA and 99.95% UVB sun protection. Award-winning car sun shade. We highly recommend this car window shade for anyone who wants to protect their little ones from harsh sun exposure during daily drives and road trips. It's a must-have for new moms and families with young children, offering superior car seat sun protection and a convenient solution for road trips. One standout feature is its UV protection, which blocks 99.79% UVA and 99.95% UVB rays, providing ultimate sun protection for your car. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.